There's an epidemic sweeping our nation.
Something terrible is happening.
So disturbing.
So grotesque.
It's affecting our children.
Something so horrific. It's almost unspeakable.
Throwback Thursdays.
Throwback Thursdays.
Throwback Thursdays.
Hashtag TBT.
For the last several months, Thursdays have officially become Throwback Thursdays.
It has consumed the social media world.
Instagram.
Twitter.
Facebook.
MySpace.
It has become a weekly event where people find an old picture of themselves from when they were hot.
And bulimic.
Or anorexic.
Yo, check out this picture from my album, Spring Break '08. Cabo, what's good?
In my P90X phase.
Back when I had rock hard abs and I was fucking bitches. I haven't done that in a while, huh?
Some even post adorable baby photos and write a clever caption like,
Just had to throw it back.
Hashtag TBT.
Save it for your mama.
Newsflash, nobody wants to see your ugly baby face.
Seriously, you were really ugly.
Or they'll say something like,
Something's never changed.
Hashtag a TBT.
yeah, guess some things do change.
you're fat.
You're aging.
Last week, I saw you give a hand job to the cab driver because you couldn't afford the fare, even though it was an Uber. Told you we already paid.
Sometimes it's hardly even a throwback.
They just post a photo of themselves from last summer.
When you were in your Red Bull and Coke phase.
Look at me, remember when I was trouble?
Guess some things do change.
Now the only thing you're deep-throating are Krispy Kremes.
That's why we're putting forth a new initiative.
Future Fridays.
Future Fridays.
Future Fridays!
Future Fridays.
#,
FF.
For everyone who posts a Throwback Thursday photo.
We get to post a Future Friday photo of you.
Of you.
#FF.
Hashtag.
It's going to be a day where we post fun Photoshop photos of what you're really going to look like in 15 years.
You pushing out 3 children.
From 3 different fathers.
Hashtag Future Fridays.
You, now that you have a beer belly and you're balding.
And you haven't seen your dick since '96.
Hashtag Future Fridays.
You behind bars after you've been caught shoplifting from the makeup counter at JCPenney.
Because you're broke and it's the only thing that gives you any sort of happiness anymore.
#FF.
Hashtag don't drop the soap.
You nailing a hooker behind 7-Eleven.
Because your wife won't you anymore.
Hashtag, that hooker had an Adam's apple.
So join us in the fight to end Throwback Thursdays.
For the love of God, please make it stop.
Because nobody cares.
Nobody cares. Nobody cares.
We get it. Used to be in a frat. Used to get laid.
Used to play football in high school.
Hashtag nobody cares.
It's time to make Throwback Thursdays a thing of the past.
And Future Fridays, a thing of the present.